All right, let's look at the conjunctions chart. Chart H. A conjunction is a word used to connect words, phrases, or clauses together. I'll do it again. A conjunction is a word used to connect words, phrases, or clauses together. All right, now while that tune is in my head, I'm going to go down to this box and do conjunctive adverbs accordingly, although, besides, consequently, furthermore, hence, however, indeed, moreover, meanwhile, nevertheless, similarly, still, therefore, thus, conjunctive adverbs. A conjunction is a word used to connect words, phrases, or clauses together. Conjunctive adverbs accordingly, although, besides, consequently, furthermore, hence, however, indeed, moreover, meanwhile, nevertheless, similarly, still, therefore, that, conjunctive adverbs. So those have the same tune. Then you have coordinating conjunctions, connect grammatically equal words or groups of words, such as compound subjects, compound verbs, and compound sentences. And that's the tune to for and nor, but or yet so, for and nor, but or yet so. Coordinating conjunctions connect grammatically equal words or groups of words, such as compound subjects, compound verbs, or compound sentences. Okay, got it? Fanboys. Those are your coordinating conjunctions. So memorize that list. Those are going to show you compound. So the definition for a compound sentence, I did to Kung Fu Panda tune, like the Kung Fu fighting song, because a compound sentence consists of at least two independent clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction, fan, boys, to make one whole sentence compound. So that is what coordinating conjunctions do. They're going to clue you in to a compound sentence, and they're going to have a fanboy. Okay, for and nor, but or yet so. Now, subordinating conjunctions, this is your clue, sleuths, for identifying that there's a dependent clause. It's dependent on the rest of the sentence, and it is like going to be complex, or it might be compound complex, but there's going to be something that is dependent in there. So when, while, whereas, since, if, although, whereas, unless, because. So I did this to joyful, joyful, we adore thee, because www, we all adore you. Okay, so subordinating conjunctions, www.asia.web, when, while, whereas, since, if, although, whereas, unless, because. And then I did these extra ones for more subordinating conjunctions if you want to go the extra mile. After, as, if, as long as soon as though, before, but, that, how, in order, that, less, so, that, then, that, though, until, whenever, wherever, why. I'll do it again. After, as, if, as long as soon as though, before, but, that, how, in order, that, less, so, that, then, that, though, until, whenever, wherever, why. Whew, so you got a lot of subordinating conjunctions to choose from there. But subordinating conjunctions go along with complex sentences, and for complex, I chose chopsticks because it sounds like the dissonance, So complex sentences consist of a simple sentence and a subordinate clause, and a dependent clause. Okay, so with that tune in mind, you know how chopsticks goes into that's what we use for this. Subordinating conjunctions introduce adverbial subordinate clauses and relate them to the word they modify. They are used in complex sentences. www.asia.web. Okay, now let's move on. Correlative. I decided for correlative conjunctions to do them like a round because it correlates. So, are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Dun, dun, dun. You can sing it in a round just like we will with correlative conjunctions. Okay? I'll do a little bit higher because some of your voices are probably higher. Correlative conjunctions always come in pairs and connect words of equal importance. Correlative conjunctions, either or, neither nor, both and, whether or, not only but also not but. Correlative conjunctions. And you can have your class do that in a round. I'll sing it one more time. Correlative conjunctions always come in pairs and connect words of equal importance. Correlative conjunctions, either or, neither nor, both and, whether or, not only but also not but. Correlative conjunctions. Then lastly, we have relative pronouns. That, who, whom, whose, which. And I already did the conjunctive adverbs. So there's your conjunctions chart. A lot of singing on that one. If singing is not your thing, then you can learn them another way. But if it is your thing, then hopefully that helps you.